Welcome to my presentation about AI. First of all, we should ask the question: what is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. It helps machine things like people. Two types of AI. One type is the narrow AI. Um, this type does the job like Siri. And then the second type is general AI. Um, that type can AI, yeah, that can that like can do any job. Not it's not already made, but it's going to made. Um, type three, how AI works. Machines learn from data, which also called machine learning and advanced learning like self-driving cars, and that means deep learning. The third topic is uses of AI. Talking to Siri, recommended movies, and helping doctors finding bad payment. Yeah, benefits of AI are they work fast and they make less mistakes. They can bring us new ideas and a better life, maybe. Um, the changes of AI are privacy and losing jobs. Challenges of AI are privacy and losing jobs, but also hard to make. They are hard to make and cost a lot. They're technical. Um, the future of AI, they are going to. They are more smart machines and they solve big problems. Make general AI, and in conclusion, AI is growing fast. They have good and bad sides, and they bring us an exciting future. This was my presentation.